Hello again to everyone. In my presentation, I will give an overview of the impressive project and what is the role of NEREUS in this initiative. To be clear from the beginning, I don't have a background in maritime or environmental issues, but I'm excited to share with you the important role that the use of space is playing in tackling those challenges as part of the impressive project. Of course, we are all familiar with oil spill pollution and wastewater discharges at an EU level, but also at the global level. The colleagues in prior shared in their presentations the extent of this problem. Indeed, the impressive project was conceptualized as a result of these cases. As you can see from the images, one of these incidents, it is referred to the 2,500 tons of fuel oil and marine gas leaks caused by a tank at Saronikos Gulf in Greece in 2017. This was one incident. So, one of the many actually. So, in light of the above, there has been a plethora of efforts to tackle this ongoing environmental challenge through different traditional techniques, such as aircraft or ship surveillance. However, what is the problem with that? As you can imagine, there is the issue of cost involved with these technical means. And this is where the use of space becomes very important. It was evident that there is a need for better information to control these incidents by developing a risk assessment and support emergency management service in ports and coastal areas. Moreover, we identified that there is a need for providing information to those who manage this kind of situations. And here I'm talking about the end users, such as port authorities, public administrations, and of course the maritime industry. So that we will actually provide them with an integrated solution for oil spill monitoring and control in harbors and their surrounding waters. In response to this challenge, the impressive project is about the development of a universal relocatable platform to tackle the marine pollution events in the ports and their surrounding waters of the European Union. Impressive is an Horizon 2020 project, and it is coordinated by 12 partners. They are SMEs, university, private and public research organizations, and they come from 6 countries. The added value of the impressive platform is reflected in the combination of various sophisticated technologies for Earth observation, robotics, and advanced mathematical models for the development of this integrated, replicable, and universal system based on satellite images and, of course, Copernicus marine products. Most importantly, the platform is a supportive tool to achieve at a low cost a better port management, which provides to the end user with all needed information to control pollution incidents. As an ultimate goal of this innovation goal, is to foster the exploitation of Copernicus by supporting the reduction of pollutants, improving the quality of waters, and providing greater access and information to citizens. In the next slide, you can see a representation of how this platform looks like. The platform aims to contribute to the overall sustainability of the ports by implementing a complete supply chain for the evaluation of the environmental conditions in the ports. This kind of improved risk management provides the stakeholders with safer activity within the ports and a better corporate image for the industry that operates within these ports, and new capacities for detecting other illegal polluting activities. As a result, the platform aims to enhance industry competitiveness thanks to job creation and technology transfer of new skilled human resources with Earth observation data expertise able to support the end users, such as the port authorities. In the next slide, you see some of the recent outcomes of the project. The tools of the platform are tested in 3 selected European harbours that are modeled as pilot areas. These are the following: the La Luz port in Spain, in Gran Canaria in Spain, the Taranto port in Italy, and the Rafina port in Greece. Some of the successful outcomes are the following. The oil spill detection by sentinels has been tested, and it works for all the 3 pilots. The first of the 3 pilot tests was successfully implemented in the port of Rafina, and the first sea trials, as you can see from the images in Gran Canaria, were successfully implemented by the consortium partners, which involved checking the drone technology. Last but not least, the positive impact of the project was also evident in 2020 when the European Commission's Innovation Radar portal has recognized Impressive as an excellent innovation product. Now, as far as my organization is concerned, NEREUS is one of the consortium partners. For those who are not aware of our mission, and complementing what Stefano and Felipe said in the beginning, we are the network of European regions using space technologies. We are 23 European regions and 32 associate members, including universities, companies, research centers, and space agencies. Our mission as a unique thematic network for matters of regional space uses is to explore and promote the use of space technologies to our regions and their citizens. NEREUS' main activities are focused on 3 main pillars of action: the political dialogue advocacy, interregional cooperation partnership, and technological trends and developments relevant to future space solutions and user needs. Now, maritime is one of the key sectors of interest for NEREUS regions, and this is because 15 out of 23 regions are coastal, island, and outermost regions. Moreover, regional ecosystems are characterized by a variety of key stakeholders, which are the main target groups for Impressive. To quote just a few, these are the port authorities, public administrations, and the maritime industry and startups. Therefore, NEREUS is increasingly valued as a partner to this project. In this respect, we have enhanced actively the dialogue with port authorities to explore what are their views and expectations from such a platform. As a recent example, they had participated in a well-attended webinar organized by NEREUS and focused on the goal of the Impressive project. It goes without saying, of course, that we are interested in broadening our collaboration with new port authorities, and we would be grateful if you could bring to our attention any potential interested partners with whom you have already established links. It is also important to note here that NEREUS leads the organization of the final event with the goal to present the Impressive platform, the Impressive project, and how the key stakeholders can benefit from its use. To this end, and may I ask your attention, please, we are happy to invite you in our final conference in September. More details will be published later on, but if you are interested for further information at the moment, please let us know. Thank you very much for your attention.